This is gonna be real nice on my ass. Fuck.
As long as I can remember, this has been one of the best feelings in the world. Grabbing your camper, your toys, heading out for the desert.
So we're on our way out to the river for Thanksgiving. Pulled into Del Taco, saw my sister and Ryan, and got informed we gotta walk through the drive-thru to get our food. Obviously we can't fit in there with the truck and trailer because of this cabal virus. Can't go inside, so we gotta walk to the drive-thru. I gotta walk to the drive-thru. Another car just pulled in. Alright, so Ben and Chip on the walkthrough. I'm trying to go stand at 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go stand behind 3 cars.
It's probably 5 because
the window around the other side.
Good thing there's a Del Taco on every corner in SoCal. We went down one exit, found one that had nobody in line.
Yeah, good chance. Shove a French fry in that stuff too. Yeah.
Last year for Thanksgiving, we stayed home with our brand new baby jet while everyone came out here. So we were stoked to come out this time around and see what the place had to offer.
Hey, what's happening? I'm bugging, making something out of. What, you wanna hold it? I wanna hold it. I wanna hold it, my daddo. I wanna hold it, my daddo. Let me hold it, my daddo. Are you dancing? Huh? In seashells? Ah, in seashells down by the seashore. No. Hey. No. No. Oh! Baby J. Yeah. We're gonna have a video, buddy. We're gonna have a whole video. What's up, Toad? Are you having fun? Yeah. Oh, it may not be a popper.
By DJ PB. We even stopped and had a beer with Mr. Britt. Hope you're enjoying the other side, my man. Man, check this thing out.
You can't bite it. Yeah. No. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Hey, no, Jetstone. Hey. What are you doing? Huh? You being silly? Huh? Hey, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Tell the popo your name.
My name is Brinley Brown.
Brinley Brown. What's your nickname? What do we call you?
Toad.
That's right. We call you Toad. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
What?
It's okay. Where the dude? My dude's standing up. He's doing stunts. Ready? Here we go.
Let me move this stuff off. No, land on this stuff off.
Man, I can get used to this.
Oh, good save. Let's go get the fire. Here you go, a-holes.
Got a little carried away.
What do you want?
Mama,
My
our
mama
sweet
knows.
potatoes are still over there.
Sweet potatoes. What's up, buddy? What's the matter?
Who's that?
Hi. What's the matter? I'm going to Razor?
What's up?
Oh. Probably trying to help Brooke find her shoes still.
So, I was looking forward to coming out here and doing some riding. But I was thinking about on the Razor ride the day before how I don't know if this terrain looks all that fun to me. Grew up riding tracks and rocky stuff just, I don't know, doesn't seem fun. So, ended up going out anyways and decided I was gonna go up a different trail to get out of the dust of the Razors, you know, maybe grab a few gears, and, you know, do a little bit of technical riding. Well, now I ended up like lost, like a puppy dog. Trying to get back to him, was planning on hopping in behind him. Went down a bad spot.
Well, welcome to the desert, where if you get off the trail, you end up in some bullshit like this. Never again. I should have let this thing parked.
Here I am, perfectly fine, just hanging out, feeling like a dork. It was like a cliff that lasts like, I don't know, 6 feet. Stacked up some rocks.
Well, sorry, Dad. I'm gonna owe you a bunch of parts. Good thing we got some connections, but fortunately, gotta choose myself over the bike today. Oh, can't do it. Can't ditch the bike, can't ditch myself. If I was able to come in with some speed, I could get down it, I think.
What a ride that was. It was just ridiculous. I felt like the biggest, talk about getting your ego dinged. I was pissed. I was in a bad mood, but it's hard to be in a bad mood when you're at a place like this. So we kept the ball rolling and had a good time.
You see yourself?
Say hi, Quinny.
You're smiling at yourself. So, yep, I'm here with Reedy. We're making some s'mores. S'mores. Right? S'mores? Yeah, s'mores. Check it out. Here we go. Let's keep it up. Let's pile them up. Put the chocolate down. Put the chocolate down on that one. There we go. Look at that. Gonna ask for a percentage.
Looking at the birds.
Beautiful out going out along social life. Like the way
While we were on this trip, I kept hearing about how we were going to do a drive to the Nelly E Saloon, aka Desert Bar, which is situated in the Buckskin Mountains in Parker, Arizona.
You guys good? Ready to roll?
buddy's up there. I think. No, look at the puppy. I don't know, man. This place is nuts. Over there. Let's go over here. Ooh, over there. Over there. This rock, yeah. What you eat, buddy? Huh? Where you?
Have you go yet?
No, loving it. Loving it.
Are you going to get me in the video?
Yep, I'm definitely gonna get you in the video.
Hi.
He's trying to show you the rock. He says, look, Queenie, look how cool this rock is. Good job, buddy. Yeah. Oh, be careful. Come this way. Come here. Let's get you up on your feet. You want to try to walk? I'll help you. Come on. There you go. Let's go see Reedy. Let's go film Reedy. You walking down, Reedy? Yee-hee! What'd you think, my buddy? Huh? What'd you think, my buddy? How's the view from up there? Does it look cool?
It's so pretty.
Yeah, so, oh, Jet's trying to bounce.
Hi, Coco.
Where your prices are, girl.
Dada. Baby Jet. You guys ready to head back down? No, not yet. Too much fun. Probably head down. Yeah. You need your shoe fixed again? Huh? Oh my goodness. I'm about to just roll this rock onto my ankle. Here, let's fix it. Look at it. She's helping you out.
This ride of life can sure get bumpy sometimes. And there's plenty of twists and turns and jeeps and all kinds of stuff that get in your way. But I think we can all kind of count on one thing. And that's the right people will always come together. Because as humans, we are supposed to come together. That's what strengthens us. Sometimes we may get a flat tire. We're gonna keep rolling. We're gonna keep it going. We're not gonna let anything stop us from being what we're supposed to be. And that is free. There's ups, there's downs.
These are my wings. You just want to popo.
Family trips like this can sure feel like an undertaking sometimes. But when when everyone works together, they sure are worth it at the end of the day. The juice is always worth the squeeze. This is life. This is what the world should revolve around. It's the hardest part, but again, gotta keep it moving on to the next thing.
Yeah, wrapping up Thanksgiving week with a pit stop at Grandmom and Crappa's. And then back on the road to home. Back to Nuevo. Back to Nuevo.
I thought we were going to Grandmom's house.
We are. After that, I was saying after Grandmom's and Crappa's. Back to Nuevo. Back to Nuevo.
No, I don't want to go to the rainbow.
You don't want to go to the rainbow? I mean, that's good, because we're not going to the rainbow. Not today, we're going to Nuevo.
Be a supporter of the truth. Be a supporter of unity. Flow with life.